Hi viewers, good morning. Today, in the last class we know 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits multiplication. Next we do 5 digits multiplication. We have what is given 24795 into 17954 is given. So this multiplication we do in 9 steps. 9 steps. This method is called cis cross method. So this is first step. This is first step. This is second step. This is third step. This is fourth step. Next, this is fifth step. So next sixth step means we take only 8 dots. So this is, and this is. Next, seventh step. Seventh step means we take only these 3. Next, this is 8th step. This is 9th step. So we do this multiplication left side to right side or right side to left side, both are same. So we do in some order. We cannot confuse. We do only one order follow. So first step 1. 5 4s are 20. 2 right here, 0 here. 5 4s are 20. 2 here, 0. 5 4s are 20. First step is over. First step over. Next we do second step. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25. This is equal to 61. 5 5 is 25. 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 25 equal to 61. 6 here we write, 1 right here. So second step is over. Next we go to third step. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 9 5s are 45. 7 4s are 28. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Here also 45. 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 18. 100, 118. 118. So 118. Here we write 118. Next we go to third step is over. Next we go to fourth step. Fourth step means we take only 4 columns. 4 4 16. 4 4 16. 5 7 35. 4 4 16. 5 7 35. 7 5 35. 9 9 is 81. 9 9 is 81. So 5 5 10 17. 5 plus 5 10 16 1 17. So 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 167. So 167. So fourth step is over. 167. Fourth step is over. 167. Next fifth step. Fifth step means we do 4 operations. Fifth step. 5 operations we do. 5 operations means we take all digits. That means 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 5 1s are 5. 2 4s are 8. 5 1s are 5. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 9 7 63. 9 7 is 63. 4 5 is 20. 9 7 is 63. 7 9 is 63. 63. We add these all following. So 3 plus 3 6, 8 plus 5 13. 13 ఒక 6 19. So 6 plus 6 12, 13 14 15. So what is the total? 159. 9 1 5 159. So fifth step is over. Next we go to sixth step. Sixth step means we remove this one. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 9 1s are 9. 2 5s are 10. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So 9 plus 9 18, 19 20 24. 2 4. 24. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 4 10. 104. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 9 10. 104. So here we write 4. 1 and 0 here. 104. So 6 steps is over. Next we go to 7th step. 7th step means we close these two. We close these two. 9 2s 18. 9 2s 18. 7 1s 7. 9 2s 18. 7 1 7. 7 4s 28. 28. So 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 7 23. 23 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 53. So we write 5 here and 3 here. So 7th step is over. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7th step is over. Next we go to 8th step. 4 1s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. So we write here 1 and here write 88. Next 9th step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So we add this addition. 0 3 8 plus 6 14. 7 plus 1 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. Next 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 4 10 11. 11. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Next 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 14. 2 plus 1 plus 1 4. So this is answer. We check up once again. 0 3 14 9 16 11 5 14 4. So this is answer. This is very important method. Thank you.